Trade Deal 2026. India has committed to importing goods worth $100 billion annually from the US for 5 years as part of a broader trade understanding that also involves significant tariff reduction. Background: India-US trade relations. India and the United States share a rapidly expanding trade relationship shaped by strategic convergence, supply chain realignments, and geopolitical considerations. The US is India's largest trading partner, accounting for a substantial share of India's export in services, pharmaceuticals, engineering goods, and IT. However, trade ties have also witnessed friction, particularly over tariffs, market access, digital trade, and agriculture. In August 2025, the US raised tariff on Indian goods to 50%, citing trade imbalances. This escalation set the stage for renewed negotiations aimed at stabilizing bilateral trade while protecting domestic interests. Features of the India-US trade deal: large-scale import commitment. India has committed to importing $100 billion worth of US goods annually for 5 years, more than double $45.62 billion imported in financial year 25. The imports will primarily include energy products, oil, gas, coal, aircraft and aircraft part, technology and high-value manufactured goods, precious metals, nuclear-related equipment, and selected agricultural products. Tariff reduction by the United States. As part of the understanding, the US agreed to reduce tariff on Indian goods to 18%, down from the earlier 50%. This rollback improves market access for Indian exporters and restored competitiveness in sectors such as engineering goods, textile, and auto components. Protection of sensitive sectors. Despite opening its market to a wide range of US products, India has maintained explicit protection for sensitive sectors, including genetically modified agricultural products, the dairy sector, poultry, maize, cereals, and corn. This calibrated approach reflects India's long-standing policy of shielding small farmers and food security from external shocks. Agriculture and market access framework. India has allowed quota-based or limited access for select agricultural commodities such as cotton, pulses, chestnuts, and onions. Market access has also been extended to apples, wines, spirits, and beer products already permitted under trade agreements with other partners like the European Union and New Zealand. The government has consistently reiterated that no compromise has been made on farmer welfare, strategic and economic rationale. Addressing trade imbalances, the deal aims to reduce persistent US trade deficit in goods, particularly in agriculture. For India, the arrangement helps ease tariff pressure while ensuring continuity of access to the US market, energy security, and diversification. Large-scale energy imports from the US support India's energy diversification strategy, reducing over-dependence on volatile regions and strengthening long-term supply stability. Geopolitical significance. Beyond economics, the deal reinforces India-US strategic alignment amid shifting global trade patterns, decoupling pressures, and competition with China. Trade is increasingly being used as a tool of diplomacy and strategic reassurance. Concerns and criticism. Fiscal and trade deficit risk. Committing to fixed import values may constrain India's trade flexibility and widen the merchandise trade deficit if exports do not grow proportionately. Farmer and MSME concern. Farmer groups have expressed apprehension that surplus US agricultural produce could eventually seek deeper access to Indian markets, affecting domestic prices and livelihoods. Absence of a formal FTA. Despite its scale, the arrangement stops short of a full-fledged free trade agreement (FTA), leaving uncertainties about dispute resolution mechanism and long-term enforceability. Way forward. India will need to closely monitor implementation, ensure safeguard mechanisms remain robust, and simultaneously push for export expansion in services, manufacturing, and technology. Strengthening domestic competitiveness and productivity will be critical to maximizing gains from the deal.